Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in the L40, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, make sure your unit's charged up and powered on. So press and hold the power button if you don't see any illuminated lights here. Wait till you hear the startup chime, and then eventually you'll see these lights flashing, and then they will become solid, and you hear a voice prompt walking you through like just a general greeting or things along those lines, depending on where you're at with this unit. But wait and make sure that your light is solid here and your unit's powered on before you continue on with the reset. Grab a tiny tool like a SIM removal tool, open up the lid and identify this little reset icon. It's an arrow moving counterclockwise. It's to the left of the Wi-Fi indicator button that's blinking and flashing blue. So go ahead, hold down with your tool the reset button for a couple of seconds here. The lights just shut off, so I'm going to let go. We got a voice prompt, factory resetting, and now we just wait for it basically to do the reset, which will cycle the power with the device. So we'll wait for everything to start back up, which you're seeing right here. It's starting to reinitialize after the reset.
Welcome to Use Dreame Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download Dreame Home app to view more operations.
So the lights are solid and the vacuum is talking to us, going through the initial setup process again. So you're all set and ready to go to follow those prompts and reconnect and set up your L40.